Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these amazing twists by using the products that you can see on the screen. In order to prepare the mixture, I use 5 tablespoons of Salon Line Todicachos Brazilian gel and a combing cream from the same brand, and mix it thoroughly until it achieves the desired consistency. However, you can also use Eco Gel or any other leave-in cream to achieve the same results, and the measures are proportional to the size and length of your hair. After the mixture is ready, we go ahead and start making the twists, and for that we need 2 tools. One to properly make the section, whose name I do not know right now, and the second to detangle the hair if it is required, which is a detangling comb. Since we are talking about length, let me just show you guys how long my hair is right now. It is somewhere around 30 centimeters, which is awesome, and my hair growth since I had a big chop has been amazing and very impressive. In order to make the twists, we divide the hair into a small section based on how thick or thin you want the twist to be. Detangle that section of hair if needed, and then apply the mixture, which smells amazing, on the sectioned hair gently from top to bottom. After that, divide that section in 2 parts by using your index finger, and with the help of your index and thumb, take the hair on your right hand and pass it on top of your left hand hair. Then exchange hands and do that again. The process is very simple. Right hand hair goes on top of your left hand hair, forming a twist, and then you exchange the hands and keep twisting until the end of your hair. And when you can no longer twist it with both hands, just join the hair and twist it using the right hand, thumb and index finger to make sure that the twists do not open again. This hairstyle can last from 3 weeks up to 2 months, and it's a great protective style because it causes no manipulation, less hair breakage. It allows us to style it however we want by making a bun, braiding on top of it, leaving it open, and many other styles. It also allows you to wet your hair whenever you want and still avoid shrinkage and tangles. This protective style also makes it easy for the person to apply oil on their roots and hair strands, as well as keeping the hair moisturized daily without spending a lot of time on it. Check it out one more time how the process is done. Guys, I am almost done with this section. This is how it looks now, and I could actually continue with these, but I prefer to start on the other side. I decided to change sides because making these twists is very time consuming and my arms are a bit tired of being lifted in one direction. Since this protective style can take way too much time depending on how thin or thick you want it to be, I always prefer to watch a movie a TV show while I'm doing it. And sometimes when I'm feeling inspired, I choose to listen to audiobooks or even watch discussions about topics that interest me. That way, I'm both learning and working on my self-growth while also taking care of my hair. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and support me by leaving your comments down below or even giving this video a thumbs up. Finally, after a few hours, the hairstyle is done and I'm so in love with it. It's very refreshing and puffy at the same time. And as I said before, you can style this protective style in many ways that you like. Yes, it is a protective style that you can actually style. You can take the sides and clip it on the back as I'm doing right now, which looks beautiful. I really like how it enhances and gives a different shape to my face. You can leave it open without doing anything to it. You could also take the complete front section and tie it at the back or anything else that you would like. This is all for today's video. Thanks for watching and hope to see you on my next video.